Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Be optimistic. Hope you all are doing well. Today I am here with I'll speaking latest cue card with sample answer which is prepared by me, and in my previous video I've covered I'll speaking May to August 2020 latest part 1 questions with the sample answers. If you haven't watched that video, then you can get the link in description box, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get immediate notification whenever I upload a video on my channel. And must like my videos if you learn something useful, and share with your friends as well. And so let's dive into today's concept without wasting your precious time right now. So guys, our today's topic is describe a time when you made a mistake and you learned from it. Right? Have a look at the keywords. When you made a mistake and you learned from it. Analyze the statement properly. It means you have to describe a time when you made a mistake ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਗਲਤੀ ਕੀਤੀ and ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਕੁਝ ਸਿੱਖਿਆ, right? And you learned from it, right? And let's have a look at its bullet points. When it was, what happened, what you learned, how you felt. When it was, ਕਦੋਂ ਸੀ ਇਹ, what happened, ਕੀ ਹੋਇਆ, what you learned, ਕੀ ਸਿੱਖਿਆ ਤੁਸੀਂ, how you felt, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਵੇਂ feel ਕੀਤਾ, right? So this is completely a cue card based on the past tense. You can add any experience of yours regarding any mistake. It can be a silly mistake, like for example you haven't followed your elders advice, or you damaged something, right? So now let's have a look at the sample answer which is prepared by me. To err as human, there's no one in this world who never make a mistake, but some mistakes come with the valuable lessons. To err as human is an idiom that means it is natural for human beings to do mistakes, right? Means कि human beings ਗਲਤੀਆਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ, like in Punjabi, in pure Punjabi we can say it like ਮਨੁੱਖ ਗਲਤੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਪੁਤਲਾ ਹੈ, kind of this, right? ਕਿ ਉਹ ਗਲਤੀਆਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ. There is no one ਕਿ ਦੁਨੀਆ 'ਚ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ mistake ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦਾ, ਪਰ ਕੁਝ mistakes ਐਵੇਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਇੱਕ valuable lessons ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਆਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ. Today I'm going to talk about one such mistake that I did during wedding of my cousin due to my negligence. Today I'm going to I've used a contradiction. I'm not say I am going to talk about one such mistake. एक ऐसी mistake ਦੱਸਣ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਹਾਂ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਮੈਂ ਕੀਤੀ ਮੇਰੀ cousin ਦੀ wedding ਦੇ time ਤੇ, due to my negligence means carelessness, right? ਲਾਪਰਵਾਹੀ. It is matter of 2 years ago. ਇਹ 2 ਸਾਲ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੈ. I went to her house a week ago. ਮੈਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਘਰ ਇੱਕ week ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਗਈ in order to help her in wedding preparations, ਕਿ ਉਹਦੀ wedding preparations ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹਦੀ help ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਲਈ. Meanwhile, she used to hold me essential things because she thought I'm quite responsible and able to manage everything appropriately. ਉਸ time ਦੇ ਦੌਰਾਨ ਉਹ ਮੈਨੂੰ essential ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ means ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਫੜਾ ਦਿੰਦੀ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਬਹੁਤ responsible ਹਾਂ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨੂੰ appropriately means proper way ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ manage ਕਰ ਸਕਦੀ ਹਾਂ. So a day before her wedding she gave her jewelry to me. So ਆਪਣੀ wedding ਤੋਂ ਇੱਕ ਦਿਨ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਉਹਨੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੀ jewelry ਦਿੱਤੀ that she gonna wear on wedding, ਜਿਹੜੀ ਉਹਨੇ wedding ਤੇ ਪਾਉਣੀ ਸੀ, and told me to carry it in the parlor tomorrow. And ਉਹਨੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ parlor ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਣੀ ਹੈ, told me to carry it in parlor tomorrow because I was going to accompany her there. ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਉੱਥੇ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਸੀ. I was going to accompany her there. Accompany means ਮੈਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ join ਕਰਨਾ ਸੀ, ਮੈਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜਾਣਾ ਸੀ, right? You can see that after to we always use the V1. She told me to carry it, right? Always keep this in mind. After to we always use the V1, right? On that time I was busy with other cousins and so her talk fell into deaf ear. ਉਸ ਟਾਈਮ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਦੂਜੇ ਕਜ਼ਨਸ ਨਾਲ ਬਿਜ਼ੀ ਸੀ, ਸੋ ਉਹਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਗੱਲ ਸੀ ਜੋ ਉਹਨੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਿਹਾ fell into deaf ear means an it is also an idiom. It means ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਇਗਨੋਰ ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ. It went unnoticed, right? ਕਿ ਉਹਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਗੱਲ ਸੀ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਇਗਨੋਰ ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ and I completely forget about jewelry. ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਪੂਰੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਭੁੱਲ ਗਈ jewelry ਬਾਰੇ because I haven't paid attention. ਮੈਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਵੱਲ ਕੋਈ attention ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ pay ਕੀਤੀ. On the next morning, I went to parlor with her. She was tickled pink on that day because it was a special day of her life. Next morning, मैं ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ parlor गई. She was tickled pink, again an idiom that means she was excited. बहुत excited ਸੀ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਉਹਦੀ ਲਾਈਫ ਦਾ ਇੱਕ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਪੈਸ਼ਲ ਡੇ ਸੀਗਾ. After some time she asked me about jewelry that at the time I was baffled and almost blank because I didn't even know where I keep it, right? ਉਸ time ਤੇ ਮੈਂ baffled means right surprised but in shock means ਮੈਂ ਚਕਰਾ ਗਈ. I was and almost blank means ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਤਾ ਸੀ. I didn't even know ਕਿ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਤਾ ਸੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਰੱਖਿਆ ਕਿੱਥੇ, where I keep it. And you can see again that after that we use the first form, right? We didn't even know ਮੈਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਤਾ ਸੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਰੱਖਿਆ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਆ. When I told truth to her, ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਸੱਚ ਦੱਸਿਆ, she become anxious means worried, right? As well as furious means angry, very angry. ਉਹ ਬਹੁਤ worried ਹੋ ਗਈ ਤੇ furious ਵੀ ਹੋਈ that how I could be so careless ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਇੰਨੀ ਲਾਪਰਵਾਹ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੀ ਹਾਂ. But I didn't have any other option except repenting and apologizing. But ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ repent means regret, apologize means feel sorry. ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ ਪਛਤਾਉਣ ਤੇ sorry feel ਕਰਨ ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ ਹੋਰ ਕੋਈ option ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ. Suddenly I got a call from my brother who was coming to pick us to the marriage venue. Then I explained everything to him and requested him to find it at certain places. Suddenly ਮੈਨੂੰ ਮੇਰੇ brother ਦੀ call ਆਈ ਜਿਹਨੇ who was coming ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਮੈਰਿਜ ਵੈਨਿਊ ਤੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਣ ਲਈ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀ, ਪਿਕ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀ. ਦੈਨ ਆਈ ਐਕਸਪਲੇਨਡ, ਮੈਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਐਕਸਪਲੇਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਤੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਰਿਕੁਐਸਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਕਿ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਸਰਟਨ ਪਲੇਸਿਸ ਤੇ ਲੱਭੇ, ਕੁਝ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪਾਰਟਿਕੂਲਰ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਦੱਸੀਆਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਫਾਈਂਡ ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਲਈ. By God's grace, he got the jewelry box and brought it to the parlor. Then I took a sigh of relief. God's grace means by God's blessing, or we can say that ਰੱਬ ਦੀ ਮਿਹਰ ਨਾਲ, right? He got the jewelry box, ਉਹਨੂੰ jewelry box ਮਿਲ ਗਿਆ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਪਾਰਲਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਇਆ ਇਹਨੂੰ. Then I took, ਤਾਂ ਉਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ I took sigh of relief is kind of phrase means मैं सुख दा साह लिया. I felt relaxed, right? Then I took a sigh of relief. Sigh of relief, right? Owing to me, a special day of my cousin's life was going to ruin. I felt so guilty and apologized her from the bottom of my heart for doing such a blunder. ਮੇਰੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਮੇਰੀ cousin ਦੀ life ਦਾ ਇੱਕ special day ruin means ਬਰਬਾਦ ਹੋਣ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀ. ruin means spoil ਹੋਣ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀ. ਮੈਂ ਬਹੁਤ guilty feel ਕੀਤਾ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ apologize ਕੀਤਾ, like bottom of my heart, like kind of again it is kind of a phrase ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਦਿਲ ਦੀ ਗਹਿਰਾਈ ਤੋਂ sorry feel ਕੀਤੀ for doing such a blunder means a big mistake ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਇੰਨੀ ਵੱਡੀ ਗਲਤੀ ਕਰਨ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਬਹੁਤ guilty feel ਕੀਤਾ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ sorry feel ਕੀਤਾ, right? For me the key takeaway was that from that day I become a prudent and responsible person. This key takeaway means a valuable lesson, right? Key takeaway means valuable lesson. Takeaway means a lesson, key means valuable, right? Don't use these kind of words in writing, but these are suitable for speaking. For me the key takeaway was that from that day I become prudent means careful and responsible person. कि मेरे लिए की सब तो valuable lesson की सी कि उस दिन तो मैं prudent means wise मतलब मैं careful बन गई ते मैं responsible बन गई. Now I always listen to others carefully and suggest others to do the same because our minor negligence can bring havoc in others life. ਕਿ ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਦੂਜਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਨੂੰ ਕੇਅਰਫੁਲੀ ਸੁਣਦੀ ਹਾਂ, ਧਿਆਨ ਨਾਲ ਸੁਣਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਤੇ ਦੂਜਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਸੁਜੈਸਟ ਕਰਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਬਿਕੋਜ਼ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਸਾਡੀ ਮਾਈਨਰ ਮੀਨਸ ਛੋਟੀ ਜੀ ਨੈਗਲੀਜੈਂਸ ਮੀਨਸ ਲਾਪਰਵਾਹੀ, ਕੇਅਰਲੈਸਨੈਸ can bring havoc means destruction, right? ਇਸ ਦੂਜਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਲਾਈਫ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਡੀ ਛੋਟੀ ਜੀ ਗਲਤੀ ਦੂਜਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਲਾਈਫ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤਬਾਹੀ ਲਿਆ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈ, right? So guys, that's all about this sample answer. I hope that it would be helpful for you and you can take tips from this, that how to prepare a cue card. I've covered all the bullet points over here, right? And I've used few idioms as well as vocab words as well. So let's have a look at those uncommon words that we have used today. First one is negligence, that means carelessness. Second one is appropriately, that means properly. Third one, accompany means join, right? Overlooked means ignore. Anxious means worried. Baffled means surprised, but always keep in your mind baffled means surprised in shock, right? For like when we surprised in like happiness kind of that, can't use word baffle, it is not suitable for that situation. So baffled means surprised in shock. Apologize, feel sorry. Furious, angry. Ruin, spoil. Repenting, regret. Pashtona, blunder, big mistake. Prudent, careful. Havoc, destruction, as I told you that tabahi, right? And so these were the idioms that we've used today. To err is human means it is a natural for people to make mistake. Human beings लिए गलतियां करना एक आम गल है, right? Fell into deaf ear means to be ignored or not noticed. It is again an idiom that means कि ignore कर देना या फिर notice ही नहीं करना उस चीज ਨੂੰ. Tickled pink, again an idiom that means excited, right? Key takeaway is just a kind of vocab, means valuable lesson. So that's all about today. I hope that this video gonna be helpful for you guys. If this sample answer is fruitful for you and if you learned something, don't forget to press the like button. It will give me the motivation, and soon I will upload videos on other latest cue cards as well. If you face any difficulty in this sample answer or any module of IELTS, then you can let me know in the comment box or drop me a mail in my Gmail account. So that's all for today. Stay tuned. Keep watching my videos. Bye bye. Take care.